Hello, y'all. I hope y'all been having a great week. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. It is another weekly tips with the tax cop. All right, so I know that we talked about the tax tables the week before, a couple weeks before. We have gone through and I've shown you the withholding calculator that needs to be your best friend. Now I'm kind of doing stuff a little bit different, right? I want you to pay attention because the IRS website need to be your friend. It really does. There is great information that gets pushed out. You can request and they will send direct messages and emails about tax happenings directly to your email box. But the most important thing that I really want everybody to have, whether you're my client or not, is if you don't have your IRS.gov account by now, I'm going to need you to get it. I really do need you to get it. The IRS is putting in a lot of initiatives to create portals so that you can get your notices, that you can know your balances, everything about your account. I'm not going to say in real time because they don't update it like it's your bank account, okay? Because I get a lot of people, hey, my account and its balances, they eventually correct it. It's a government agency, but they are being more proactive and being transparent. And because they're being more proactive and being transparent, I need you all to tap in. Like, you gotta know what's going on with your account. It's a great way for you to get access to your transcripts. If you ever need to give an enrolled agent, a CPA, or anyone else access to your account, is where we would go ahead and get the power of attorney form so that we could talk on your behalf. So therefore, you need to know what's going on with your account. You can get your transcripts there. You can get notices. They haven't pushed every notice, right? Business owners are about to be able to see their accounts. Right now, it's just sole proprietors, but all business owners will be able to see our tax accounts for our personal and our businesses. Like, the IRS is doing some things. They are doing things with our tax dollars to make it easier for us to be in the know. And I want all my clients, anybody who's getting these weekly emails, I need y'all to know that if you have not tapped into getting your IRS.gov account, you've got to go ahead and get it. Like, I've been pushing this for years, but definitely now as stuff is progressing, you need to know, because the government agencies aren't always right, but you need to know what they know about you, right? And I always talk about that on the resolution side. Hey, before we take any actions, I need to know what they know so that we can build our strategy around what they know so that we can take the steps we need to. And it's helpful when you know what is going on with your account. So let's jump into it. Y'all know I got to show you the screen. IRS.gov is your friend. I tell y'all, the IRS is a gentleman. Now the states, that's a whole different story. That's a bad boyfriend or girlfriend that's stalking you on Instagram. All right? So it's very clear they've done a great job of adjusting the website so it's user friendly. Back in the day, y'all, you would have to dig and dig and dig and dig and dig. All right? Those of y'all who are wondering, when you get your tax return filed, you can get your refund status. This is where you go. I already have the link in the message. This is where it's taking you. Get your tax records, sign into your account. You can make payments, check your federal tax withholding. We talked about that before, y'all. Apply for your EIN, get answers to your tax questions, check your amended return status. Like, look at all the things they're doing. Y'all gotta love the IRS. I do. All these tools and things you got, your online account. It allows you to view your tax records, adjusted gross income and estimated tax payments. And when you're responding to notices, you can now upload them. Like, let's go, baby. Let's go. Because they know we in debt. They trying to get the monies. Right? So I want you to go to your online account, go to your account. It's on here in multiple places. Right? This is all the stuff you can do. Now, I'm not going to go into my account, show all my business, right? But if now they're now using login me, where you have two-factor authentication, and you want to make sure that you have access to your account. If you're a new user, have your photo identification ready because they got to make sure they get your ID Me account all set up. You get to view key data for your most recently filed tax return, including your adjusted gross income, and access transcripts. View information about your income economic impact payments. That was the stimulus, your child tax credit payments, advanced child tax, if you got to do back taxes, and view digital copies of certain notices from the IRS. They're not all there yet, but they're working to automate as much as possible. You can make a payment from your bank account. You can view 5 years of payment history, view any pending or scheduled payments, view or create payment plans, view your balance, manage communications, view tax pro authorizations. That's the POAs that we're talking about, right? Who has access to your stuff, who doesn't, and just so much more. So much more that they're working towards getting this done, so that you don't have an excuse to say it didn't come in your mailbox. Okay? So I need y'all to run, not walk. If you do not have access to your IRS.gov account, you're going to see this for my clients. You'll always see that as some of my top tips when we start off the year, because I truly believe in being able to have access to your information. Definitely click the link that's in this message that will take you to whatever you need to do to sign up and get access to your account, because you need to be in the know. We need to have a conversation from the information we know, so that if anything ever comes up that has to be resolved, that we can work as a unit to get it resolved together. All right? That's what I got for you this week. Quick and dirty. Y'all, if you have not been looking at the other emails, please go back and look at the weekly emails. If you have a topic you want us to talk about, please let us know what that topic is. Share it with us, because we want to be able to best serve you in these weekly emails and give you all the good information that you need, right? So that you can make the moves that you need to. We will start to feature some stuff definitely about how the portal works, everything, how to work with us. Also, we'll wiggle in there some state information. I'm primarily located in the DMV. Not all my clients are there, but I will make some things that are happening in certain states, bring it to your attention, because I want y'all to know, hey, where one state does something, somebody else is going to catch on. There's going to be a domino effect. Until next week, y'all. Peace. Mwah.